In this video we talk about the 2025 Toyota BZ5X. This is the upcoming electric SUV. This SUV is very spacious and luxurious as per our expectations. This Toyota BZ5X comes with different kinds of features, and also, this SUV is bigger than the BZ4X and BZ3X, and also this electric car has 3-rows system. They provide for all their models a large touchscreen display, many kids-F connectivity features, and advanced features like Bluetooth connectivity USB ports, and many others. So we can expect that for this model they also provide comfortable seating safety features, connectivity features, and many other things. The Toyota BZ5X release date has not been confirmed till now. There are no official announcements regarding this electric SUV release date, but as per research, we can expect that they are all set to launch this electric SUV soon. The Toyota BZ5X price has not been confirmed, but we can expect that the pricing of this SUV is higher than the BZ4X and BZ3X. The interior, they definitely provide a large touchscreen display, different connectivity features, a sound system, wireless charging, and many more. This electric car has also many other types of safety features, and this is a very spacious type of SUV. That's why it provides leg rooms, headroom, shoulder room, and comfortable seating for all passengers. If you want to buy this electric SUV, keep patience for some time. They launch this SUV soon.